This video is about sharing homemade RVW worlds that you make, but then you want to either send to somebody or perhaps your teacher makes and emails it to you. How do you get it from, say, your download folder into the folder where you can open it? Okay, so here's how we do that. Let's suppose you're building and make a new field, and let's just throw a few things out there. A couple spheres, and let's make a wall. Fine. So it's really simple, and now we have our level. We're going to save it. I'm going to say save as, and we'll call this test level. Now, look where it's saving. This is important. You may have to write this down. My computer is saving it to RSD staff, SA, M. McNally, documents, RVW level builder, and then levels. Okay, so I save it. But, alright, so now, let's suppose I wanted to send this to somebody. So I go and open my mail, and I send a new message, and I'm sending it to myself, in this case, but you can send it to whoever. Browse this computer. Now, I need to go back to where I saw that that it had been saved. So this was, I think, users, RSD staff. Let's try this. Documents. Then, okay, so I'm in documents now. I'm RVW level builder, then levels, and there are all the fields. And where's the one that I made? Test level. And I just added that so you can send your field to somebody else. But let's suppose that in your downloads you have that you've had a field sent to you. So look, this is my download folder. Okay, and here is that file that I sent to myself. Well, what if my teacher had sent me a file and I wanted to open this file? It's not going to open from downloads. I'm going to have to go into RVW level builder, and now I'm going to say file, open, and I've got to go find that. Well, look, our path right now is RSD, SA, M. McNally, and all that. We're going to go up, and now we're at levels and library. Up again. We're getting further up. Up again, and keep going until I get to the C drive. This is probably where you, if you get a file emailed and then you double click on it, it's going to go into your download folder. Your download folder is probably going to be in your C drive. So I'm going to click on my C. You might not have all these options. You might be able to go right to your download folder, but in this case at school, I have to go to users, pick myself, M. McNally, and there's my downloads. But eventually you're going to find your download folder, and there's my my field. I can open this, and that's how you can share your different fields with each other.